Good morning everybody, and welcome back to the Southern Rustic. If you're new, I'm Sam and welcome. So glad to have you. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for Mexican hot chocolate. Very creamy and delicious. Super easy to make. So let's go over the ingredients. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, for this recipe, all you're going to need is 3 cups of milk, 1 cup of evaporated milk. You're going to need between 1/4 and 1/2 cup, but if you want it more sweet, just taste it and add more sugar if you need to. Some vanilla, cocoa powder. I usually use the special dark cocoa powder, but my store did not have any, so I'm going to use the regular cocoa powder. You're also going to need some cinnamon, cornstarch, and some ground red pepper. Okay guys, first we're going to turn our heat to medium. We're going to add in our milks. Now if you don't want to use evaporated milk, that's fine. Just use 4 cups of regular whole milk, almond milk, coconut milk, whatever you prefer. So we're just going to let this sit and come up to a simmer, and I'll meet you right back here. Okay guys, this is up to a simmer, so I'm going to turn my heat down to low. I'm going to add in my sugar. And my cocoa powder cornstarch mix. We're just going to mix this until it's well combined. Now you're just going to cook this until it comes up to temperature and it is thickened. I'm just going to turn my heat back up to medium low and just whisk this until it's thick. It should take around 5 minutes or so. Okay guys, this is a nice and thick. Now it's not going to be super thick, but it's going to be a creamy type consistency. Just go ahead and add in your vanilla. You want to add the vanilla last so you don't lose any of that flavor. Go ahead and turn your heat off and you're good to go. All you got to do is just ladle some into a cup and you're good to go. Okay guys, it is done. I know you can't see it in the cup, so I will probably insert a picture for you guys so you can see what it looks like. But I've just poured me some into a cup. It's nice and creamy. Hint of spice. Get that cinnamon in the background and that little light flavor of vanilla. Absolutely delicious. If you love spicy and chocolate, you are going to love this. It's absolutely delicious. So I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments section down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.